Hello student. Today's class is exercise 2.1 exercise. Okay. Question is find the principal value of the following. First one, sin inverse of minus 1/2. See solution. Given sin inverse of minus 1/2 sin inverse, you take trigonometric function to bracket form. Okay, here sin inverse of minus sin 1/2, sin 1/2 value is 5/6. 5/6. Rewrite one more times. This minus as it is sin 1/2. Sin 1/2 is 5/6. Sin inverse of minus sin 5/6. It is negative in the form. Minus sin theta is equal to sin of minus theta. इसको हम ए फॉर्म में लिख रहे हैं. sin inverse of minus 5/6. then sin inverse sin get cancel. ये दोनों पहले कैंसिल करने के पहले हम दिस -6 sin इनवर्स का रेंज में बिलोंग्स होता है कि नहीं चेक करना. sin इनवर्स फंक्शन द रेंज इज -5/2 to 5/2 रेंज. sin इनवर्स ऑलरेडी टेबल दिखाया है. फंक्शन डोमेन रेंज. ओके, देन हियर -5/2 to +5/2. This -5/6 belongs to this -90 degree to +90 degree के बीच में -5/6. -5/6 का डिग्री कितना होता है? -30 डिग्री. -30 डिग्री आर बिलोंग्स टू इन दिस वे. ये दोनों के बीच में आता है. therefore sin inverse and sin get cancel. Answer is -5/6. This -5/6 is belongs to -5/2 to +5/2. This is the answer of sin inverse of -1/2. Then say second, cos inverse of √3/2. Given cos inverse of √3/2 is cos inverse of cos, say √3/2 value is 5/6. cos √3/2 30 degree. 5/6 5/6. cos inverse cos कैंसिल करने के पहले दिस 5/6 रेंज के बीच में आता कि नहीं. cos इनवर्स का रेंज क्या है? 0 to pi. क्लोज्ड इंटरवल 0 to pi. द रेंज ऑफ cos इनवर्स इज 0 to pi. 0 से लेकर 180 डिग्री के बीच में 30 डिग्री आता कि नहीं आता ना. इसलिए cos इनवर्स cos गेट कैंसल. The answer is 5/6. This 5/6 belongs to 0 to pi. This is the range of cos inverse x. Then third question, cosec inverse of 2. Say cosec inverse of 2. Cosec inverse of cosec 2 is 30 degree. pi by 6. Cosec 2 is also cosec 2 is 30 degree. 30 degree का radian is pi by 6. Then this cosec inverse cosec get cancelled. Pi by 6 is answer. Then fourth, tan inverse of minus root 3. Tan inverse of minus root 3. Solution. cosec इसका भी range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0. This is also belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0. 0 नहीं रहा. 0 में cosec function is not defined. Then tan inverse of minus root 3. Okay, same thing. Given tan inverse of minus tan root 3. Tan root 3 is 60 degree. 60 degree का रेडियन pi by 3. Pi by 3. Then it is also negative angle form minus tan theta. Tan inverse of minus pi by 3. Again से tan inverse tan get cancel करने के पहले हम क्या करना बोले तो इस minus pi by 3 रेंज tan inverse के रेंज में बिलोंग्स होता है कि नहीं. tan inverse the range is open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. minus 90 डिग्री से लेकर प्लस 90 डिग्री के बीच में minus 60 डिग्री बिलोंग्स होता है. तो yes, then here also minus pi by 3 is belongs to minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. This is the answer. Same fifth solution. Cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 given. Cos inverse of minus cos 1 by 2 is pi by cos 1 by 2 is pi by 3. Cos 1 by 2 pi by 3 60 degree. Then it is pi by 3. Then cos inverse of minus cos theta. Cos inverse of minus cos pi by 3 क्या होता है बोले तो cos inverse of pi minus theta is pi by 3. And then in bracket out you take LCM. Cos inverse of cos LCM is 3. This is 3 pi minus pi divided by 3. LCM is 3. 3 into pi, 3 pi minus this pi as it is. Then cos inverse of 2 pi by 3. Again यहाँ पर cos inverse cos कैंसिल करने के पहले हम क्या करना बोले तो this 2 pi by 3 is belongs to range. Cos inverse of range or not. Cos inverse range क्या है 0 to pi. 0 to pi के बीच में 2 pi by 3 आता है कि नहीं. 2 pi by 3 2 pi means 180 by 3 ones are 60. This one is 120. 120 is also belongs to 0 to 180 degree. Therefore cos inverse cos get cancelled. This this is 2 pi by 3 is the answer of cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. This belongs to 0 to pi. Make it notes. If any doubt on these 5 questions, please comment. Question number 6. Same. Find the principal value of following question. Solution. Given tan inverse of minus 1. Tan 1 is 45 degree. The radian is pi by 4. It is tan inverse of this minus as it is. Tan 1 is 45. Tan 45 is pi by 4. Then it is tan inverse of this negative form. You write tan of minus pi by 4. Okay. ये tan inverse tan कैंसिल करने के पहले हम क्या करना बोले तो this minus pi by 4 belongs to range of tan inverse. Tan inverse range क्या है बोले तो open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. ये दोनों के बीच में minus pi by 4 आंसर आता कि नहीं? Okay, minus pi by 2 is minus 90 degree, then pi by 2 is plus 90 degree. ये दोनों के बीच में minus 45 degree आता है. इसलिए tan inverse tan get cancel. The answer is minus pi by 4. Okay, this minus pi by 4 is belongs to open interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Then 7. Given sec inverse of 2 by root 3. Sec inverse of 2 by root 3. Say sec 2 by 3. Sorry, sec 2 by root 3 is pi by 6. Then sec inverse of sec pi by 6. Sec 2 by root 3 का वैल्यू 30 डिग्री है. 30 डिग्री रेडियन इज pi by 6. Sec inverse 6 sec कैंसिल करने के पहले pi by 6 belongs to range or not. Okay, the range of sec inverse x is. Okay, this is also belongs to pi by 6. This belongs to closed interval 0 to pi except pi by 2. 30 डिग्री 0 से लेकर 180 डिग्री के बीच में आता. Therefore, this is the answer. Then 8. सिंपल है, आपको पहले याद रहना tan 1 कितना है, sec 2 by root 3 कितना है, रेडियन याद रहना. टेबल आपको एक प्रॉब्लम करने को आता है. देन cot inverse of root 3. cot root 3 30 degree radian is pi by 6. Then cot inverse of root 3 is cot inverse of cot root 3. Cot root 3 is pi by 6. Then cot inverse of cot pi by 6. Okay, cot inverse का रेंज क्या है? ओपन इंटरवल 0 to pi. Okay, 0 to pi. pi means 180 डिग्री. 0 से लेकर 180 डिग्री के बीच में 30 डिग्री आता है. इसलिए cot inverse cot कैंसिल होता है. Then answer is pi by 6. This pi by 6 is belongs to open interval 0 to pi. The ninth, given cos inverse of minus 1 by root 2, ये नेगेटिव एंगल फॉर्म है, अभी बताया मैंने नेगेटिव एंगल फॉर्म पाई माइनस थीटा करना, वो तीन ही फंक्शन है, एक cos, sec, cot. Then cos inverse of minus cos 1 by root 2. Cos 1 by root 2 is 45 degree. 45 degree its radian is pi by 4. Pi by 4. Negative angle form cos inverse of cos pi minus theta. Theta is pi by 4. Sec inverse, cos inverse, cot inverse. Negative angle of pi minus theta apply करो. Then cos inverse of cos, then LCM, take the LCM. LCM is 4. 4 pi minus 5 divided by 4. Then it is cos inverse of cos 3 pi by 4. This 3 pi by 4 belongs to 0 to pi. Close interval 0 to pi आना 0 डिग्री से लेकर 180 डिग्री के बीच में 3 pi by 4 आता कि नहीं? आया तो cos inverse cos get cancel. Then answer is 3 pi by 4. This belongs to closed interval 0 to pi. 10th question. Solution. Given cosec inverse of minus root 2. Cosec root 2 is 45 degree. Cosec root 2 45 degree. 45 degree radian is pi by 4. Then here cosec inverse of minus cosec root 2. Cosec inverse of minus cosec pi by 4. There is cosec inverse of cosec pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Then cosec inverse cosec get cancel. The range of cosec x is closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 except 0. बीच में minus 45 डिग्री आता है, इसलिए cosec inverse cosec get cancel. Answer is minus pi by 4. This minus pi by 4 is belongs to the range of cosec inverse x is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 except 0. ये दोनों के बीच में minus pi by 4 आता है, इसलिए cosec inverse cosec get cancel. Cosec inverse of minus root 2. The answer is minus pi by 4. Then say 11. Tan inverse tan 1 45 degree. Radian is pi by 4. Cosec inverse of minus 1 by 2. A negative angle form. इसको हम कैसे लिखना? Pi minus theta. Here theta is 1 by 2. Cos 1 by 2. Cos 1 by 2 is pi by 3. Then sin 1 by 2 is also pi by 6. Given tan inverse of 1 plus cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse of minus 1 by 2. Then tan inverse 1. Tan inverse of tan 1 is 45 degree. 45 degree radian is pi by 4 plus cosec inverse of minus cos 1 by 2. Cos 1 by 2 is pi by 3 plus sin inverse of minus sin 1 by 2 is 30 degree. Radian is pi by 6. Then it is tan inverse of tan pi by 4 plus negative angle form cos inverse of negative angle is cos of pi minus theta. Theta is pi by 3. Then plus sin inverse of ये तो डायरेक्ट नेगेटिव एंगल आता है sin of minus pi by 6. Then tan inverse tan get cancelled because pi by 4 is belongs to open interval minus 90 degree to plus 90 degree. इसलिए tan inverse tan get cancelled. Answer is pi by 4 plus cos inverse cos cancel here 3 pi minus pi divided by 3 is 2 pi by 3. Cos inverse of cos 2 pi by 3. 2 pi by 3 is also belongs to 0 to 180 degree. That's why cos inverse cos get cancelled. Answer is 2 pi by 3 plus sin inverse of sin get cancelled is 30 degree minus 30 degree. Minus 30 degree is also belongs to closed interval minus 90 डिग्री टू प्लस 90 डिग्री के बीच में माइनस 30 डिग्री आता है. इसलिए साइन इनवर्स साइन गेट कैंसल. द आंसर इज माइनस पाई बाय 6. देन टेक एलसीएम. एलसीएम इज 12. देन 4 on 4 3 3 pi plus 3 4 8 pi minus then 6 2s are 12. 2 is left, multiply to pi minus 2 pi. Then it is 3 pi plus 8 pi is 11 pi minus 2 pi is 9 pi divided by 12. 4 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. Therefore, the answer is 3 pi by 4. Same 12. Cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos 1 by 2 is 60 degree. Radian is pi by 3. Given cos inverse of cos pi by 3 plus 2 sin inverse of sin 1 by 2 30 degree. Radian is pi by 6. Sin of pi by 6. Then it is cos inverse cos get cancelled. Pi by 3 plus 2 into pi by 6. 2 ones are 2 3s are. Then pi by 3 plus pi by 3 is 2 pi by 3.